Jai Srimannarayana. 18th sloka of 13th chapter of Srimad Bhagavad Gita. Please repeat. Iti kshetram tadha jnanam jneyancha vuktam समासतः मद्भक्ता एतत् विज्ञाय मद्भावाय उपपद्यते. ओम. Become Sri Krishna Paramatma's devotee. Declare yourself as Sri Krishna Paramatma's devotee. Then start learning about your essential nature of yourself while you are traveling through your body. Also inculcate exclusive loving devotion towards Sri Krishna Paramatma. With all this, you will be then qualified to attain Sri Krishna Paramatma. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita, Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending you to surrender to Him alone. Krishna Paramatma says, surrender to me unconditionally. Do not cry. Mamekam saranam vraja ma suchaha. Now you respond back to Krishna Paramatma saying that, "Ho Krishna, Ho Sriman Narayana, I shall become your devotee. I shall declare myself as your devotee. Then I will start learning about my essential nature while I am traveling through my body. Ho Krishna, Ho Sriman Narayana, I shall definitely inculcate exclusive loving devotion towards you. Ho Krishna, Ho Sriman Narayana, please make me qualified to attain you. Ho Krishna, Ho Sriman Narayana, I surrender to you unconditionally. I shall not cry anymore. Sriman Narayana, Karishye Vachanam Tava, I shall obey your orders. Please help me act according to your heart. Sarvam Sri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Sriman Narayana. Now let us learn Srimad Bhagavatam. Namaskaram to Srimad Bhagavatam. Nigamakalpataror galitam phalam Sukhamukhadamrutadrava sanyutam Pibata Bhagavatam rasamalayam Muhuraho rasika bhuvi bhavukaha. Namaskaram to Sri Sukha Yogindra. Yam pravrajantamanupeta krutyam dvaipayano virahakatara ajuhava putreti tanmayataya taravobhineduhu tam sarvabhuta hrudayam munimanatosmi. Namaskaram to Naranarayana, Chaturmukha Brahma, Saraswati Devi, Vyasa Maharshi. Narayanam namaskritya naram chaiva narottamam devim saraswatim vyasam tato jayam udirayet. In Srimad Bhagavatam 7th Skandham, Suta Mahamuni giving his discourse to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, Sri Sukha Yogindra teaching Srimad Bhagavatam to Parikshin Narendra, saying that, O Parikshin Narendra, Narada Maharshi teaching Dharmam, 30 dharmas to Dharmaraju, saying that, O Dharmaja, I have been telling you about 30 qualities, dharmas, which everyone supposed to be observing, practicing. Out of them, so far, I told you about 21 dharmas. Now, 22nd dharma is Shravanam. Shravanam means keep on listening to the divine stories of Paramatma and listen to the divine teachings of Paramatma and listen to the divine qualities of Paramatma. And 23rd dharma is Kirtanam. Kirtanam means loudly singing the glory of Sriman Narayana. 24th one is Smaranam. Smaranam means always recollecting and thinking about the divine form of Paramatma, Divya Mangala Swarupam of Paramatma, Sriman Narayana, thinking about the divine qualities of Sriman Narayana, thinking about the divine activities of Sriman Narayana through several different avatarams. 25th one is Seva. Seva means serving Paramatma and serving Paramatma's devotees. 26th is Ijya. Every day worshipping Paramatma with Arghyam, Padyam and 16 sevas, every day offering Aradhana to Sriman Narayana. 27th one is Avanati. Avanati means doing Sashtanga Namaskaram to Sriman Narayana. 28th is Dasyam. Dasyam means all of our duties and responsibilities, we should think that these are the orders of Sriman Narayana and we should fulfill all of our responsibilities and duties as seva of Sriman Narayana, and we should fulfill all of our responsibilities and duties in order to satisfy Paramatma Sriman Narayana. All this is called Dasyam. 29th is Sakhyam. Thinking that and also realizing that Sriman Narayana is our best friend. The last one is 30th, Atma Samarpana, dedicating ourselves to Sriman Narayana. So all these are 30 dharmas or 30 qualities. O Dharmaja, Samudakrutam Trimsat Lakshanavan Rajan Sarvatma Yena Tushyati. If one observes, practices all these 30 dharmas, then they will definitely be blessed by Sriman Narayana and they will be happy and peaceful. Like that, Narada Maharshi teaching through Dharmaraju to every one of us. What happens next, we will learn tomorrow. Om Shri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmadgurubhyo Namaha. Mukundamala. Krishna Rakshatuno Jagatraya Guruhu Krishnam Namasyamyaham. Krishne Namarasetravo Vinihataha. Krishnaya Tasmai Namaha. Krishnadeva Samuthitam Jagadidam. Krishnasya Dasosmyaham. Krishne Tishtati Visvametadakhilam. He Krishna Samrakshamam. Srimad Bhagavad Gita, 13th chapter, 18th sloka. Iti kshetram tadha jnanam jneyam choktam samasataha madbhaktaye tatvijñāya madbhāvāyopapadyate. Iti kshetram tadha jnanam jneyam choktam samasataha madbhaktaye tatvijñāya madbhāvāyopapadyate. Srimannārayana karishyē vachanam tava సర్వం శ్రీకృష్ణార్పణమస్తు. జై శ్రీమన్నారాయణ.